All our chickens were raised on factory farms. Somehow they escaped. Some escaped slaughterhouses, some were rescued from live meat markets. Each has his or her own story. They all have come to us in very bad shape. You can see that these chickens are missing the feathers on their necks. On the factory farms, they are confined to such small space that they often fight. The factory farmers, instead of giving them more space, cut off their toes and cut off their beaks so they can't hurt each other. You can see that this hen is missing the top of her beak.
Do you buy any eggs?
No, I never buy eggs.
These are some of the same chickens who were missing their feathers. It's now 3 months later. They are filling out nicely.
Reach your hand back in there and see if you can feel. Whoa. Nothing?
No.
Okay. All right, this is only one in there. Cute. Look at that. Oh,
I'm surprised.
that's a lot of eggs, right?
And look, this says jumbo.
Yeah. But these are jumbo jumbos, right?
It's winter, so they spend most of their time indoors.
They're all having fun in here.
In the spring, they can go outdoors. They have a good time foraging, taking dust baths, and exploring new nests. On the factory farms, whether they are confined to cages or are so-called cageless chickens, they are all so tightly crowded together that they can do none of these things. At Safe Haven Farm Sanctuary, they can live a natural life.